We're almost there. We're done. Where the simbahan is. I didn't see the priest, but we're going. Look at all the kids.
Pasundo ka.
Tingnan namin.
Asan na?
That's my friend.
Hmm.
That she's a little. She's a little girl, but she's kinder too.
Nag-vlog pa nga. Yun na.
We're almost there. They look like stars.
Oh.
The fireplaces. They look like twinkling, but they're not stars. They're just fire.
Saan laksan mo?
God. So now we are here at beside my friend's house again. Here, right. That's my friend's house too. Look at the big tree. Look, Christmas. But it's almost Christmas. Christmas Eve, not Christmas. Oh, I think we're not going to my house. There's my house and there's my teacher's house. We're going again. We're going somewhere else. This is a long trip. This is not a trip. This is only a house. It's not pure gold. Jollibee, not like that. You know what, like Jollibee, right? My brother said it's red ice, but it's not. So, guys, Jollibee is a bee. Because Jollibee got wings and looks like a bee. Just something right in here, too. Ooh, wet. Oh, that's our chickens. Diba? Right?
Yeah.
There's our chickens right there. And our birds and everything and everything.
Hey, stop. Sige na. Atras-atras ka. Oh, ano sila mga po.
So, guys. So, that's what that green thing is. Just after like, I don't know what it is. Subscribe if you know what it is, or comment down below. Oh, we're going.
Say bye-bye to your friends.
So, bye. See you at part 2. Bye.